We all know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be for developers to work without proper contextual help, accurate error messages, and other essential features. In this demo, we will showcase the enhanced productivity for both citizen developers and professional developers, as well as the improved governance features for automation admins. First, let's take a look at Marcus, a professional developer who has leveraged the Process Composer to automate opportunity management and upload in Salesforce. Using the Process Composer, Marcus built an automation that extracts opportunity data from a spreadsheet and automatically creates corresponding opportunities in Salesforce. The automation also triggers an email notification to the opportunity owner. Let's see this automation in action. Notice that during automation execution, the page no longer unnecessarily scrolls down when the relevant UI element is in view. This enhancement significantly improves the user experience and reliability, particularly when working with fixed top panes on the page. The opportunity was created successfully, but an error occurred while sending the associated email. With our latest update, we now display not only the error message, but also the name and line number of the child automation that triggered the error. This highly requested feature by developers makes troubleshooting much easier and saves valuable time. Let's navigate to the child bot. The error on line 11 is caused by the variable optOwner not having a value for the email recipient. To resolve this, we need to replace optOwner with an input type variable called opportunityOwner, which accepts the value of the opportunity owner from the parent automation. Fortunately, Marcus can easily update the variable value using our new Search and Replace feature. This powerful tool enables him to quickly update text or variable values throughout the automation. When Marcus selects the variable name, all instances where it is used are highlighted, allowing him to make the changes easily and quickly. This feature not only saves Marcus a significant amount of time, but it also ensures accuracy and reduces the likelihood of errors. Another new feature in version 28 is our support for reading and sending emails from shared mailboxes in Microsoft 365 using IMAP and EWS protocols with PKCE and client credential flows. This capability enables better collaboration among team members as multiple users can communicate as a group and access conversations simultaneously. It facilitates streamlined communication and improves productivity. We also incorporated feedback from our users about the default view in the automation editor. While most professional developers preferred the list view, some citizen developers preferred the flow view. With version 28, we've addressed the needs of both groups. The platform now remembers each user's preference, so they will always land in their preferred view, improving productivity and user experience. Version 28 also includes a new feature to improve readability and maintainability of automations, intuitive line markers to indicate the beginning and end of collapsible sections in the list view. Now you can quickly understand the scope of loops, if-else statements, try-catch blocks, and more. This feature greatly enhances the user experience, enabling easier navigation and reducing the likelihood of errors. As part of our ongoing effort to improve productivity, we've extended contextual help and direct documentation links to 24 new packages in version 28. With these enhancements, citizen and professional developers have instant access to all the help they need while building or updating automations. This accelerates the automation velocity, enabling faster development and improved efficiency. Now let's take a look at how Jake, who is an automation admin, ensures all of Acme Inc.'s automations use only approved versions of the packages. Jake needs to update all the automations that use the OpenAI and Recorder packages to the latest versions of these packages. With version 28, Jake can select more than one package that he wants to update, and he can also control the automations where he wants to update these packages. For example, Jake can update the automations with respect to a department or line of business. He can then review the list of automations and their dependencies before submitting the update request. This streamlines the update process and ensures that all automations are up to date with the latest package versions. As you noticed, version.28 improves the governance for automation admins, and they can control that only the approved versions of the packages are used in automations. To summarize, version.28 introduces a range of new features that significantly enhance developer productivity. These include an improved recorder UX, more informative error messages, a search and replace tool, support for shared mailboxes, intuitive line markers, and sticky preferences. In addition, automation administrators can benefit from bulk package update improvements, helping them to maintain governance over approved package versions. Overall, these enhancements demonstrate our ongoing commitment to help developers achieve their automation goals with greater ease and efficiency.